you think of any successful tech startup, there's a gang of founders and maybe like the first 10 hires or so, and they huddle together and they build the thing, and lo and behold, the thing works, and you can charge cards, or you can like design graphics or manage projects or whatever the thing is. But that period where you're exploring the solution space and being like, all right, we think there's a new product to be created here. It's like a real-time workplace messaging thing. People want to share files, and maybe there's channels and there's private messaging. But you're kind of exploring a solution space to try and work out like what's the right shape of a product. But you do that once. Most of your company, the other 90% of the staff, if you're successful, show up after that was done. Mm-hmm. They're mostly like working in the sort of boundary walls that you've defined for your product. And they agree with your primary axioms of your product, like, which is like, hey, real-time communication, emojis, files, whatever the hell, right? But like, you're not constantly reimagining that. You're kind of executing that vision, if you like, right? I think for most categories that are substantially affected by AI, they have to now go and rediscover the shape of what the product will look like in an AI native world. And that means asking yourself like deep and dark questions about like everything we've been building for the last decade. Is this still any use? You know, our fundamental principles that served us well to get us to like whatever it would be, like billions in valuation or hundreds of millions of revenue or tens of millions of revenue, wherever you are they still true? It's quite possible in a lot of times they're not. Like,